Hey guys, Dan from Lane's Barbecue, here with another video, but this time using the brisket leftovers from yesterday. Stay tuned. So today we're going to focus on a sandwich. Now a real classic sandwich from Philadelphia, which is the Philly cheese steak. Now what we're going to do is we're going to replace the ribeye with the cooked brisket that we did yesterday. Now, not at all traditional. We didn't have the right cheese, but we're going to make something absolutely delicious. Now, you can still apply this method to steak and anything else, but the cooking process obviously a little bit different for the meat. But hit the like and subscribe button and the bell notification for more videos on YouTube, and enjoy the video. So what we've got here is 2 large brown onions that we're just dicing up finely. What we want to do is just slice them thin enough so everything cooks evenly on the skillet. We've also got a large green capsicum or bell pepper, wherever you're from or what you like to call it, and we're just going to saute this over the Weber in a cast iron skillet. Next, we're just slicing up the brisket. Now what we're doing is just slicing this into thin strips, just to resemble steak, so very similar to steak. Now this has all been pre-cooked, and we have the flat and the point. Now mostly the flat, so we will need to add a little bit of moisture to this when it cooks. We won't cook this from the very beginning, as it's already been pre-cooked. So that's the difference between the brisket and cooking a steak version. So next we're just adding our peppers or capsicums and onions to the pan. Now this is just over a medium fire, so roughly around 200 degrees Fahrenheit. So we're just giving this a saute, browning them off. And what we want to do is add a little bit of moisture. So we're going to add a little bit of water in this cook. Now the next step is to add the brisket. Now remember, this has been pre-cooked on the smoker, so no need to go overdo it. We just want to make sure that it's warmed through and that the meat is soft again. So mixing that back through with the peppers and the onions, and just making sure that it's all translucent and the meat is soft. We do add that little bit of water for the steaming effect, just to deglaze the pan and make sure that we get enough juice into the meat as well. Now what I'm doing here is just forming them into their shape just before we add some cheese. Now the cheese helps melt it all together and hold it all together. A little bit of water just to steam them, just so the cheese melts a little bit more. Now it's time to add a little bit of Southbound sauce. This just goes so good with brisket. Absolutely amazing. Now gently pick up your steak mixture or brisket mixture and feed it onto your toasted bread roll. Now the bread rolls we're using today are homemade hoagie bread rolls, and silly me forgot the egg, but still quite delicious. And again, we're just doing it with the second one. Well, that's it for another video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Again, if you'd like to subscribe to our YouTube channel, please do so, and hit the notification bell just to get a reminder for new videos. Also, please give us a thumbs up and like on all our videos. If you have any questions, please reach out on all social media platforms. Just besides Twitter, we're not on Twitter. And also leave a review on our products online if you can at www.lanesbarbecue.com.au. Thank you again. Have a fantastic day.